4:30 in the morning. Oh, it looks insane. How it tastes? So here's the source of my protein. Here it is. Just 2 bags of protein.
राइट यही फिर देखो यही फिर स्कूटी और गाड़ी में वो जय श्री राम का स्टिकर नहीं आता वो लगाएगा लेकिन
Once this eggs are being delivered, then I'll go back to my office. Sit on and complete some of the work. It is again a 3 or 4 hours of work are pending.
that's wrong and these things should be taught in school.
I used to do it. Now I'm doing it for vlog. So I'm back being stupid, I guess. You never know.
कुछ पता नहीं है गायत्री मंत्र पढ़ के सुना
Depressed हो गया. So it's 4:30 in the morning. We are done with our editing. Right now it's time to entertain ourselves with some.
we have got one more ad to design. It's an ad for an mobility brand. I take care of the branding. Tito takes care of performance marketing and media buying. So we are designing ads that can be winning ads and that brings down a lot of downloads for our client. And I think it's almost 4 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
So
4:30.
we have been discussing that we need to try Korean dishes. But by the way, we are not big fan of Korean dramas because we think that Korean men does not look like men. They look like
Gays.
I didn't say that. People say that. So, but still, we are a big fan of Korean dishes. It's time to try Korean noodles.
Yeah.
Hot and spicy Korean kimchi.
We're gonna review it.
I hope our body is able to digest it in a proper manner. Let's go.
Let's go. It is extremely spicy. What's your review?
We are going to have torrid times in the washroom tomorrow.
Crazy, bro. It's insane. Okay. So today this is the first video in the morning. This is the second video of my vlog. Not the second, this is the third video of my vlog. Yesterday night we walked till 4 a.m. Today I woke up at 10:30. The only problem what I'm thinking right now is when you sleep less, your sleep schedule gets like that. So you sleep for 5 hours. In the last week, like for the 5 to 6 days, I only slept for 4 to 5 hours. And now my sleeps automatically I'm automatically waking up after 5 or 6 hours. So that is actually not letting me get the entire sleep. So that's one of the problems. Coming to the day, today is Monday, today is the first business day. I already have a meeting lined up with my client. After that, I need to upload the YouTube video. That is also something that I'm going to do from my client space. After the meeting and after the stuff, then I'm gonna create the list that I was supposed to, which I have not done yet. Then I'm gonna use my LinkedIn to cold email and cold outreach, which probably I'll go and do from my office itself. Apart from that, there is not much thing that I need to do, but these are enough for the day. And then in the evening I have to fix some personal stuff as well. So I think things are going to go good on the Monday. Let's go, let's break some eggs. Also, when we are talking about ADHD and stuff, I think it comes only from the emptiness. So when ADHD is only coming from the emptiness, your purpose is not to keep yourself empty all the time. Your purpose is to make yourself available most of the time. That's it. Okay, so fuck it, man.
অত্যন্ত বিলিভেবল। দেখতে দেখতে ভুলেই যাবেন যে আপনি আসলে একটা কাল্পনিক ঘটনা দেখছেন। ফ্যান্টাস্টিক পারফরমেন্সেস বাই অভিষেক ব্যানার্জি, মিয়া মেলজার অ্যান্ড শুভম বর্ধন। আর নিজের প্রথম ছবিতেই দারুণ ডিরেকশন দিয়েছেন করণ তেজপাল, এবং হবে নাই বা কেন। এই ছবির এক্সিকিউটিভ প্রডিউসার কারা জানেন? অনুরাগ কাশ্যপ, কিরণ রাও, নিখিল আডবাণী আর বিক্রমাদিত্য মোটওয়ানে। আর কিছু বলার দরকার আছে? এক্ষুনি দেখুন অ্যামাজন প্রাইমে স্টোলেন। এই উইকে তাহলে তাই দেখবো। ইশক স্ক্রিন টাইম with Shobha.
So visiting the clients, I'm taking a lot of stories right now. I used to do it like 2-3 years back, which was pretty stupid thing, but yeah, I used to do it. Now I'm doing it for vlog. So I'm back being stupid, I guess. You never know.
So we are here on Calcutta Retro and we just had our evening food and I'm playing Clash Royale out of no reason. We are gonna go now. So the food was good. Let's get some morning. Bye.
So I went to the local bazaar. I got my eggs, the ulterior source of protein, the ultimate source of protein. I came back to home just to deliver these eggs. Once these eggs are being delivered, then I'll go back to my office. And then I think Nidit and Rupam both are there. I think they are waiting for me to go and join over there. So I think I'm gonna go there. I don't think, I'm saying I think a lot. I need to improve my communication on that front. There's such a narrow place to get my car sorted. Car's positioning or by getting sorted. I'm gonna turn this to a good thing. Anyway, so just the update. I went on. I did some shopping for my eggs and all. So here is the source of my protein. Here it is. Just 2 bags of protein. I think we have around 60 eggs, which I'm gonna consume in the next few days. And on top of that, I have decided to join the gym. I just don't know when I'm gonna join the gym. I think it is most probably today, or it could be tomorrow. But this eggs looks very tasty. I have to get this eggs and my protein supplements. Not supplements, but my protein powder. This fragile eggs. So there's a 2 sets of eggs that I gotten. One is the egg with red yolk and another one is with the blue yolk. I don't think I am visible now, but yeah. So that's one thing I've gotten done. The client's meet went great. I have some more deals out of it, so I think that's gonna be even better. Khola! Came here to get some chicken, so we are gonna cook the chicken tonight. We already have people on the bazaar, so they're buying the spices. They're actually buying the spices and all the other things that are required to cook the chicken. খুব মজা হচ্ছে। Tell me and tell, do you see the road? I'm back to my soul and tell me the signs. Whenever the smoke clear out of my face and my picture perfect, do I look fine? All of that green and yellow, that drip in your eyes is tonight.
Let me explain.
What are we doing today?
We're trying to make sure that we get hardtack as soon as possible with some oily, crispy, and tasty chicken.
Oh, it looks insane. How it tastes?
No idea.
Okay.
Bhagwan bharose.
Bhai, it looks so crazy. Can't wait. Let's go! So as you can see, now we are enjoying our chicken party. After that, we'll again sit on and complete some of the work. It is again a 3 or 4 hours of work are pending. We have to do that. That's why Nidit is cooking the chicken over there. And then we'll sleep, wake up tomorrow, kill it tomorrow. We'll have party tomorrow. then again we are going to repeat the process. That's how we live as a business owners, and it's a pride that anyone can have if they choose to take the risk. That's it. Also, we did some pretty stupid shit which I'm going to upload anyway, so enjoy right now.
Vlog. So this is Tirtho. We are in Tirtho's vlog. अरे vlog उरम भाई बना. So अरे इरम भाई अरे ना वही भाई कर. This is Tirtho's vlog. Okay. Tirtho claims that he has good endurance to control pain, to absorb the pain. Let's check it out. He has got. Show some dance moves, grappling moves.
No.
First of all, we are not gays. So this, you see, this is the art, and this is the artist.
What happened? Show me. Show me.
Bye.
Show me. You quitting. Let me see. This will be banned for nudity. Don't show your body. Fuck!
So this guy claims that he is a Kattar Hindu. भगवान राम के पिताजी का नाम क्या था?
What was it?
बोल. Access denied. यही फिर स्कूटी और गाड़ी में वो जय श्री राम का स्टिकर नहीं आता, वो लगाएगा, लेकिन कुछ पता नहीं है. गायत्री मंत्र पढ़ के सुना.
Depressed हो गया चे.
गायत्री मंत्र.
Free Fire player.
गायत्री मंत्र.
Password is गायत्री मंत्र.
राम का भाई का नाम क्या था?
शहनशाह. शहनशाह.
These are the kids who claim to be Kattar Hindus. That's wrong. And these things should be taught in school. It's our culture.
Arey, he is joking. He knows the name of his brother.
रामेर भाई नाम की थी भाई.
Shahenshaह. So let's say goodbye for today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. I don't tell this one, but this is the call to action. As a copywriter, I have to inform you so that you take action into this video. That's right. Let's go.